We call it your one reader for a reason, because you should write copy for people who read. That doesn't mean you ignore fast-moving decision makers. It means you should not fear people who don't read. If someone doesn't read copy, then you don't need copy to convert them. Copy won't convert them, no matter how short or long it is, because they won't read it. Now, there is so much tension between copywriters and everyone else in an organization over whether people read online. It's like copywriters are constantly battling to exist. But if people don't read online, then cool. Go ahead, strip all the copy off of your website, all of it. Now what? Now how's that conversion right now? People do read, and we have to write for people who read across all 4 decision-making modalities, whether they hate reading or depend on it. That means if you write your page headline for a spontaneous decision maker, write a headline that spontaneous decision maker will read. They won't read anything else, sure, but they'll take a look at that headline. So that headline is a love note to that particular person. Write it for them to read. You can't do anything about people who don't read. Copy does not solve for people who don't read, but copy is the solution for people who do read. So write for people who read.